When I was working as the architect lead at that big company, in the background, I was discussing a different startup idea. And one of the things that led us to start work on Nitric was that we were discussing how we were going to build this application for our startup and whether we needed to choose a product like Firebase at the time and move really quickly to build our app and get to market. But we were worried, knowing the kind of potential trajectory of the product we wanted to build, we were like, that actually could really lock us in to some bad tech choices if we do that. We wanted a full-fledged cloud application, but we estimated it would take us an additional 3 months if we used the other tech available at the time. We realized that this team that I was dealing with 2,000 developers being worried about lock-in the clouds, and 3 people talking about a tech startup were dealing with the same problem. Whereas I either lock myself into something in order to move as fast as possible, or I move slower in order to maintain future flexibility. And it feels like a really frustrating conversation to have when I'm right at the beginning before I even know what my startup or my product are ultimately going to become. So Nitric was really trying to fix that problem, let you delay some of those decisions, keep the power, but move fast. And we tried to keep it as close to normal services you would use in the cloud so that even if you just wanted one day to just rip Nitric out of your product, go for it. It shouldn't be the end of the world. It's build the right Pulumi to do the deployments, and a lot of the code will still run the same in containers. That was our idea.